Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. ABC News says we could see 193,000 new COVID cases on Friday. I know today is Saturday, but the numbers are still being calculated. And we could see as many as 3,282 deaths that stems from this day alone with COVID. The Associated Press reports the governors of Oregon and New Mexico has ordered mandatory lockdowns. The governor of New Mexico has ordered a 2-week stay-at-home order. The governor of Oregon has ordered a 2-week freeze starting on Wednesday. All businesses will be required to close all public offices, and people will be required to work from home. That's great if they've got the type of job that they can work from home. What about the people that can't work from home? Restaurants and bars will be limited to takeout only. Again, more people will be losing their jobs. All social gatherings will be limited to only 6 people. Grocery stores, drugstores, gas stations will remain open with very limited staff. Violators will face fines and arrest. The governor of Mississippi says any form of lockdown is unconstitutional, and he will fight any lockdown or national mandates. Americans are being urged to have online Thanksgiving dinner with family, while Nancy Pelosi is holding a big dinner for House Democrats and GOP leaders. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. They can hold their big dinners with their rich friends, but we can't go visit our family for Thanksgiving. We have to hold our family Thanksgiving online. Come on now. Right now, Joe Biden and Congress are looking at a nationwide lockdown. But this time, Joe Biden is looking to pay you to stay at home for 4 to 6 weeks. During that period, they are looking into replacing all income lost during this time. Now, you know, before when they was talking about a stimulus package to replace your income, they had a ceiling on it. Now they're saying all income. Y'all, just my opinion. With all the things that's going on now and the things that Jerome Powell said, that the lower paying jobs are going away and they will not be coming back. Most jobs are making a switch over to high-tech jobs. Well, what about the people that don't have the skills to do high-tech jobs? Y'all, I believe it's time to start an online business or a side hustle. If you can, by any way, do it. Whether it's just selling items on eBay from around your house or anything like that, it will be putting more money in your pocket. We know now the government does not care about us up to this point. And throughout the past 5 months, they have not helped us. They only gave us one check one time for $1,200. It does look like Joe Biden is going to help us, but that's still a little ways away. He can't do it right now. He is looking to pay us this next lockdown. I hope they can get this part passed. Only time will tell. Y'all, we will get out of this. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. And we will get out of this with the help of Jesus Christ. He will lay his hands on the world. Y'all, please pray for our country. Pray for our leaders. Pray for all people hurt by COVID and the actions of our governments. Y'all, I love you all. Keep the faith. Until next time, ciao.